Okay, welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, I have a cast iron cookie, basically a great big chocolate chip cookie. I do have to apologize for the way this video is going to be shot today. I don't know if I was running out of battery life at the past the point of no return, or if I was actually out of memory and didn't check it. Needless to say, this video is going to be very, very choppy with a lot of things left on the cutting room floor. But I think we can still power through. What you're going to need is 1 stick of butter, a half a cup of sugar, 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, and a large egg, and a teaspoon of vanilla. Then you're going to want to turn your mixer on to a fairly high speed and cream those ingredients together. Meanwhile, in a separate bowl, you're going to need 1 3/4 cup of flour, 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda, I have a teaspoon of salt, and set aside 1 1/4 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, or really any kind of chocolate chip you like. I just went with standard Toll House mix. And then you want to slowly add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients so they're incorporated, and then with a spoon, add in the chocolate chips. I know, I wish the goddamn electric mixer could have an attachment where I didn't have to do that step by hand, but fuck it. Then you want to roll it in a ball, and with a greased cast iron skillet, kind of mold it into a cookie. Make sure it covers all the corners of the thing, and make it as even as possible. Then you're going to want to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Now you could top this with some like flaky sea salt. I decided not to. If I make this again, I may do something a little bit more, like adding a topping to the cookie or something of that nature. And then you want to bake this again, 350 for 20 to 24 minutes, or until it's basically done. Because again, cooking times for baking vary all over the country. So that's pretty much it. Let's see it when it's done. And through the magic of cooking show editing, our cookie is done. And it was actually delicious. This didn't survive too long at the house. Gonna give ourselves a little cut here. So, yeah. That would be a cast iron cookie. Done. Oh, it should also go without saying, let this damn thing cool down for a bit. And because everybody's been asking for it, there is the product. All right, till next time.